Мне нравится этот парень.
There are basically two most common ways of saying I like in Russian. Я люблю и мне нравится. You can use both of these phrases with what you like or what you like doing. Meaning, grammatically, you're gonna use a noun or a verb after both of these phrases. When you want to say that you like doing something, you will use a verb in its infinitive form after both of these phrases. Мне нравится готовить. Я люблю готовить. Мне не нравится летать. Я не люблю летать. And if you want to say that you like music, pizza, apples, remember that after мне нравится, all the nouns will stay in their original forms. And after я люблю, the nouns ending in a or я will change their endings to u or you. And it only applies to feminine or masculine nouns in their original singular form. Мне нравится сыр. Я люблю сыр. But мне нравится пицца. Я люблю пиццу. And if it's a person, я люблю will automatically mean I love. And мне нравится will mean I like. Мне нравится Мария. Я люблю Марию. Мне нравится Пауло. Я люблю Пауло.